Hi dear friends, welcome back. Be it any party at home, chocolate cake adds flavors to it. In this video, I would like to share two easy chocolate cake recipes. So let's get started. Layer the cake into two and add a simple sugar syrup. Add in a layer of chocolate buttercream followed by chocolate sauce. Now place a second layer and cover the entire cake with frosting. Once the cake is covered with frosting, let it refrigerate for another 30 minutes. Here I have made fine florets using the remaining cream and also add a few sugar sprinkles. That's it, our cake is ready. Here is a delicious chocolate truffle cake recipe. The base is eggless, frosted with layers of cream cheese frosting. Add 2 teaspoons vinegar in half cup milk and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, sieve the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder and baking soda. Also add 2 tablespoons coffee powder, give it a good mix and then add the buttermilk. Pour into greased molds and bake for 30 minutes. Insert a toothpick to check if it's cooked, and once it comes off clean, let it cool under room temperature. The frosting is made by blending 100 g cream cheese with 3 bars of melted chocolate. Add in layers of cream cheese frosting and refrigerate the cake for 30 minutes. Pour chocolate sauce for a mirror glaze effect and add some sugar sprinkles. The delicious chocolate truffle cake is ready. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up and drop your feedback in the comment section. See you all in another video. Until then, take care.